The entire world is talking about artificial intelligence. Everywhere we go, we hear the same questions. Will AI replace humans? Will robots take over our jobs? Will automation destroy employment? There is fear across industries, among students, employees, and business leaders. But I want to say this clearly. The answer is no. This is Govardhan speaking on artificial intelligence, robotics, and why human beings will always stay ahead. AI will not replace humanity. AI will only replace repetitive, routine work. Human intelligence goes far beyond automation. We possess creativity, emotional intelligence, ethics, imagination, and critical thinking. Machines can process data in seconds, but they cannot truly experience life. They cannot observe nature with wonder, dream about the future, or create purpose. Remember, AI works strictly on knowledge already created by us. Humans created science, engineering, literature, philosophy, and music. AI only learns from human civilization itself. Many people fear AI is becoming smarter than us, but AI does not think like a human being. It simply analyzes patterns from existing data, what humans have already written, designed, or researched. Humans, on other hand, think beyond existing patterns. A scientist observes nature, discovers something completely new. An inventor imagines technology that never existed before. That power comes from human consciousness. Einstein did not change the world by memorizing facts. He changed it through imagination, deep thought, and solitude. Great discoveries happen when we have time to think deeply. Today, millions of people are trapped in routine tasks and mental stress. AI is not here to destroy us. It is here to free us from repetitive work so we can focus on higher forms of thinking, creativity, and real innovation. Artificial intelligence may process the past, but human intelligence creates the future.